Are you excited?
Papalayo tayo ron. Gusto mo mag-ilbuya daw sa akin may Skyway?
Kayo po, sir. Kung saan po yung mas
layo, maubos gasolina ko noon mo. Malalim din kasi yung sa Hilpuyat na ano po, pag nabaha dyan. Ayaw ko rin. Kung mag-Skyway, okay lang. Basta hindi ka diyan manggagaling sa sa Hilpuyat. Pero pag dyan ka manggagaling, disgrasya ka dyan pag malakas ang ulan. Ano yan dyan. Malalim yung
Hilpuyat. May tech zone.
Opo.
Hi. Hi ka, hi. Hi ka.
Welcome to my vlog.
Agaw sir.
Ayan. Ayan, we're currently here nasa Terminal 3. And konti lang naman yung mga tao, hindi siya ganun kadami. So nagbayad lang kami ng travel tax before kami mag-check-in. Hey guys, so tapos na kami mag-check-in, nakabayad na din kami ng travel tax, and tapos na din kami sa immigration. So ang inas lang sa amin sa immigration is kung may sa akin, kung may relative daw ako doon, so sabi ko yung mother ko, and then kung nagpunta daw ako doon nung 2014, yes, sabi ko, and then kung nag-aaral pa daw ako, sabi ko no, working na ako. Tapos sinanong kung saang company, so sinabi ko kung saang company ako nag-work, and then tinanong lang or hinanapan lang ako ng isang document ni Mami, which is yung OWA. So yun, meron naman ako na present. And then, yun na, pinitilan na ako, and then tinatakan na yung passport. And then, kay Kent naman, ang question lang sa kanya kung boyfriend ko siya. And then, saan nag-work? No, so, sinabi niya kung saan siya nag-work. And then, naghanap lang ng certificate kung saan siya nag-work. Which is yung COE niya, yun yung present niya. And then, ayun, tinataka na din yung passport niya after that.
Scan na.
And then, in-scan na yung mga baggage namin. And then, ayun, waiting na lang kami sa boarding time namin. Ang boarding time namin is 7:45. But yung flight namin is 8:30. So, ayun. Medyo mahaba pa yung i-wait namin. Nagpaaga talaga kami sa airport kasi nanonood talaga ako ng mga TikTok videos, kung ano yung mga common asked questions sa immigration, ganyan. So, lahat ng nakikita kong documents na pine-present ng someone na nagta-travel, so, pinrovide talaga namin. So, it's better na well-prepared kami sa lahat ng documents than wala kami ma-i-present. So, yun.
Pero yun, maluwag naman.
Mababait naman yung mga immigration officer. Just greet them, good morning, good afternoon. Ayun. Okay naman sila. And then, hindi, madaming tao. Parang, it's normal naman na madaming tao sa airport. So, yun. Currently, nasa chat time kami. Nasa chat time kami today. Nag-wait na lang kami ng boarding namin. So, ayan.
Hello!
To all departing Brunei Tegal guests on Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J or 09, your final boarding is assigned
boarding pass namin. Gate number namin is 101. And then, just right now, nag-change daw yung boarding. So, we're on the way to gate 101. Nagba-boarding na!
Hi, miss. No, huwag na. Kita ka, B.
Kaya naka-boarding na kami and then nakapila na kami moving to the plane. Love. Hindi ka lang. Hi po. Good evening po. 26.
Tablets and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Yeah.
Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi na magag.
Fueling completed. Please disarm L2. For everyone's safety, please be advised that the use of power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off and should not be connected to any device. For those guests who wasn't able to purchase replacement night bills or support, you can check out our in-flight window for the complete list. The time now is 10:57 leaving. There's a time difference between Manila and Brunei. The ground temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. For safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts.
Arrival! Ayan. So, voice over na lang to guys kasi walang audio. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, I'm done with the immigration of Brunei dito sa video na to. So, ang inas lang naman sa akin is ilang days, yung purpose of travel, and then yung hotel booking, and then yun lang, then the return ticket, then tinatakan na, and then medyo conservative lang talaga sila when it comes to clothing. So, too much exposure ng skin is not allowed kasi nga ano sila conservative culture sila. So, ayun. Kaya buti na lang that time yung scarf ko is tinanggal ko sa maleta. Ayan, wala pa ding audio. So, palabas na kami dito. Ayan. Exit na, naglalakad na kami. Hi! So we're going to
Sabi.
Oo nga daw. Ken, di ba mo naman na dyan?